In this video, I will share our second Roof for Teachers project and the story of Sheila Ford. Brent Simmons with the Restoration Roofing did an amazing job. He is one of the leaders in our community, my co-host. He picked Sheila Ford and helped her with the roofing needs because she could not afford her roof. At the end of the video, I will share all the rules and how you guys can participate in Roofs for Teachers. It's a Roofing Insights Directory charity. I will explain why we're helping teachers and how you can join us to help more teachers with their roofing projects. But first, I wanted to give huge shout out to Atlas and ABC Supply who helped Brent Simmons with the accessories and shingle costs. They pretty much donated those, and Brent Simmons helped with the labor. Enjoy Sheila Ford's story, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
Brent Simmons here with Roofing Insights. We're with Miss Sheila Ford. She's been a teacher for how many years?
23
years.
At the same school.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And the roof here is 20-something years old?
Yes. I've been here since 1997. And I didn't put a roof on it.
Okay.
So it's old.
Do you have any leaks going on?
I have some leaks.
You got some leaks. Okay.
Yes, several.
What school do you teach at?
I teach at Scenic Hills Elementary.
What grade?
I taught 4th and 5th grade last year.
Awesome.
So I don't know what I'll be teaching this coming up year.
So not a specific subject, you kind of do
I'm a
it all?
math teacher, but I do it all.
Oh, wow.
Elementary is no telling what you'll end up teaching. I live 9/10 of a mile away from where I work.
Wow.
And so the children across the street went, these two houses went to Scenic Hills. My children went to Scenic Hills. In the neighborhood, there are children everywhere that I see, and I wave at them, and they say, Miss Ford! I was like, hey.
Wow, that's really cool to be in the community that you're
right here.
teaching them. So you've seen these children grow up.
Yes.
I mean, do you stay in touch with them? I mean, have you seen them go from your 4th grade or 5th grade class to now working somewhere?
Now adults come back, call me, come by the house and visit.
That's so cool.
Some of my favorite children I come back. They forever are my children.
Yeah.
I keep up with them as much as they want me to keep up with them.
That's cool.
So yeah, we are always in touch.
So what made you want to get into teaching?
One of my teachers allowed me to teach the class, teach a math lesson in middle school, and the children, my fellow students caught on. I was on board and explained it and all that, and my peers understood what I was saying when they didn't get it from the teacher. And I was like, I later asked the Lord, what is it that I need to be doing? And that's what came to me, and that's what I've been doing ever since when I went to college. That's what I went into, and that's where I am.
Thank you so much, Brandon, for doing what you do. Sheila, you're an amazing teacher. We're glad we could be part of your journey. You've been a teacher for 23 years. And I just wanted to thank you for all the hard work. I know how many teachers out there go underpaid, underappreciated. And if you are a good teacher, you probably will never be compensated for everything you do. So thank you so much. Enjoy your new roof. And thank you, Brent, Atlas, and ABC Supply for making this project happen. Guys, for those of you who are interested maybe to join the movement, it's Roofing Insights Directory only. So you have to be in our directory. It's our small community. Here at Roofing Insights, we connect homeowners and contractors. We recommend each other. If you are on our list, we back your work with our $20,000 guarantee when we approve you to be listed on our website. If you're the homeowner and you're looking for trustworthy contractor in your area, even if we don't have one listed yet, we will find someone you can trust in your area. And if we make a recommendation, we will back that recommendation up with our own money. We don't give bad recommendations. And if we do, we'll make sure we will make it right at the end. So contractors, if you're interested, hit me up, comment below. I want to hear from you. Our hearts are with teachers If you want to share this passion with us, you're welcome to join. And if you're the homeowner looking for a trustworthy contractor, let us help you find one. I'll see you guys next video. We'll be sharing more Roofs for Teachers stories with you in the near future.